For centuries, salty winds, humidity and ultraviolet radiation have speeded up the aging process of man, the machines and buildings he has created all over the world in all its climates. It may seem contradictory, but man needs these machines to create his artificial environment. The heart of the chiller is nowadays especially subject to major impacts of increasing corrosion. This corrosion is caused by pollution, salt and humidity, and ultraviolet radiation. Look at the result. Your coil could end up like this. Besides an early replacement of your coil, your energy bill will go rocketing sky high. The decreasing heat exchange surface has a major impact on your cooling capacity. But the heart of your cooling system can now be protected from losing its function. Blygold, guaranteed corrosion protection systems. Coating systems cannot be guaranteed without standardized working methods. A treatment before installation or on site starts with a thorough inspection and degreasing using environment-friendly cleaning agents. Bended fins are aligned. On-site deoxidizing chemicals remove corrosion that may be present, and before the pre-treatment, the coils are rinsed. To create an optimal adhesion, Blygold Safe, the blue conversion layer, is applied. Unlike chromatizing, Blygold Safe does not have any hazardous effect on man and the environment. A special spraying technique guarantees total penetration. To meet Blygold quality standards, the top layer must be penetrated completely and have an equal layer thickness, and the cutting edges must be covered sufficiently. The penetrating layer is sprayed on from a 45-degree angle. The total inner part of the coil is equally covered. And after a short drying time, the cutting edges are then also covered. Our standardized working method in the capable hands of our qualified engineers guarantees a long-term performance all over the world with only limited maintenance. Blygold coatings doesn't cause any pressure drop and has no influence on the K value. A nominal performance is secured for a long period of time by the high chemical resistance, the ultraviolet protection, and resistance to any harmful effects of pollution. This makes Blygold the long-term solution compared to other methods, such as pre-coated systems that offer protection only in the short term. Blygold, condenser protection worldwide.
En 6 lengte 5. En Willem Witte 2, first thread, lengte 10 van Willem Witte. En 6 bakken lengte 6.
The renowned flower auction in Aalsmeer has been a satisfied customer for many years. It's totally dependent on a secure performance of its air conditioning installation. Blygold coated chillers have been in operation here for many years, just a few kilometers from the sea and nearby this busy airport where planes take off every other minute. For years, Schiphol Airport has been known as the most convenient airport in the world. This is largely due to its comfortable and healthy indoor climate. All chillers are treated with Blygold and cleaned regularly. Blygold's method is ideal both for site and factory application. Blygold. Clients care about performance. At your service all over the world. Our clients can rest assured that they'll receive a standardized application by Blygold Chemicals and Coatings, since all our partners receive ongoing training in the application. Due to its high chemical resistance and not being affected by mechanical impacts, the Blygold Polual and Blygold Tropic will counteract all exposure conditions, whether your chillers are in South Africa or in Bangkok. Blygold, long-lasting in all environments. Everywhere, corrective and preventive maintenance are an absolute must at air-sided and water-sided installations. Blygold specializes in overhauling, maintenance and filter changing. A Boeing 747 lands, ready for a complete overhaul and refit after 5 years of faithful service. It's not only the 747s which are overhauled at KLM's service hangar, but also the air handling unit. Blygold, the complete air handling unit overhaul or corrective and preventive maintenance of the total air-sided systems. Blygold. Keep your air handling in the air. Blygold analyzes your corrosive problems and provides you with a tailor-made solution. Different exposure conditions require different approaches. Blygold Research has developed coatings for the food and beverage industry, hospitals and high-temperature applications. Blygold Research. If your customer has a question, Blygold Research will formulate the answer. Blygold. corrosion is history.